For writers everywhere, there's nothing more romantic than the thought of sitting down at an old-school typewriter and bashing out that great American novel you've had on the back burner for the last decade. With the contraptions now all but obsolete, TechStart of Heltron is offering up the next best thing in the form of the Pinna, a retro-style wireless keyboard that's compatible with everything from the iPhone to iPad. Not only does the keyboard look like it could have been swiped from Don Draper's office, but it also sounds like it when typing. Even cooler is the metal return level at the side, which, rather than just a cosmetic inclusion, actually allows users to perform a quick manual copy and paste action or even save keywords. In terms of power, the Pinna runs off batteries and lasts up to 6 months when idle. The company didn't reveal an end-use time. The keyboard can be connected to Windows, iOS, and Android devices, and can support up to 5 at a time. If you're interested, then head over to the Pinna Kickstarter page to back the project for $89. The device is available in 5 colors and is projected to ship this August. Thanks for watching New Tech Channel. Like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.